Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, now when more and more people are coming into Canada, and even now some students have been allowed to come in as well, a lot of questions are being asked about the 14 days mandatory period, like what you can do and what you cannot do. Because nobody wants to break any law when you go to a different country, or even if you are like a returning citizen or permanent citizen, nobody wants to break any law because that would invite hefty fines because the government is really strict about it. So there's so much of discussion going on various platforms, but I thought like let's share what is on the official site, because that is something that gives you exact information or something that you can really trust. So in front of you I've opened the official site. I'm going to include the link in the description, what you can and cannot do during your 14 days quarantine. So in the prohibited items, you may not leave your place of quarantine unless it is to seek time sensitive medical services, or you have received authorization for a limited release from quarantine on compassionate grounds. There's a different process for requesting this. You may not have any guests even if you are outside and stay 2 meters apart from them. Okay. Do not use shared space such as lobbies, courtyards, restaurants, gyms, and pool. Of course, then there's no meaning of quarantine. Now, this is something that you are not supposed to do. Now, what is permitted? In your place of quarantine, you may live with family, friends who did not travel with you, provided you have a separate bedroom and bathroom if possible. Use shared spaces such as kitchen, provided you limit interactions with other in the household, and wear a mask or face covering if a 2-meter distance cannot be maintained. Thoroughly and regularly clean common areas after use. Use private outdoor spaces. Recommended during quarantine, wash your hands with soap. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth and nose with your arm when you cough and sneeze, like general practices in order to limit the spread or increase the level of protection. You will be called from this number to verify your compliance during the 14 days quarantine. Note, you may also be contacted by provincial territorial authorities throughout your 14 days quarantine. If federal, provincial, territorial guidelines differ, you should follow the most precautionary and stringent requirements. Okay. Yeah. So don't break any rules. So this is something that has been released at the federal level, but if there are any provincial level guidelines, that also need to be followed. So make sure you understand this very carefully and make sure you follow this, because when you come into Canada and you spend your time in your 14 days quarantine, you don't want to break any rule that may affect you. Thank you for now.